little rock tigers. Hey, today we're going to do a couple of things with the sidewalk chalk I put in your packets that you picked up on Friday. If you were not able to come and pick up your packet on Friday, all you need to do is set up a time with me this week and I will gladly run it out to you. I just need to know ahead of time, so I either need a phone call or an email letting me know when you and your parents will swing by to pick it up. So, the first thing you're going to do with your chalk, we're going to do hopscotch, for those of you that don't know how to hopscotch. And then the second thing we're going to do is we're going to create an agility ladder and do some different hopping patterns through the agility ladder. So I have a hopscotch pattern all done up for you. Hopscotch comes in many forms. I'm going to send you a Google slide that kind of shows you 3, but you can make it however you want to make it. But here's the one I've made for today to kind of show you how to do hopscotch. So you'll just go outside, and hopefully the weather's nice this week, it's supposed to be, and draw yourself a hopscotch pattern outside somewhere on the patio, the concrete, wherever you can. If you don't have somewhere to draw with chalk, you can take a stick and make one in the dirt, okay? So I'm gonna head on over here. So in hopscotch, when there's a box that only has one box, you only get to use 1 foot. If there are 2 boxes side by side, you get to use 2 feet. So it just looks like this. Single foot, double foot, single foot, double foot, single, double, single. Turn around and go back. Single, double, single, double, single, double, single. Okay? Now, to make it more challenging, you can go outside and find yourself a rock, a stick, a coin in the house. I have a beanbag, whatever small object you can find. And now, you're going to add a little bit of a tossing game to it, and you're going to toss your beanbag starting with number 1. You're going to toss it number 1. When the beanbag is in a box, you are not allowed to go into that box. So instead of starting with 1 foot, I'm going to start with 2 feet, and then continue. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. On your way back, you must stop and pick up your item, but you still cannot go in that box, okay? So now you're gonna go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, stop, pick it up, but you still can't go in there. All right, sorry about that, my papers blew away. Now, instead of doing the 1, you would go to the 2. Get it into the 2. The further away it gets, the harder it gets. If you toss and miss, you must go get it and come back and try again. If you're working in a group of 2, maybe you and your brother or you and your sister are doing hopscotch together, you would lose your turn and the other person would get to go. So when you're doing it with a partner, the partner could end up finishing the board before you do, and then they would win. But now you just do it without the 2. All right, that's the simple game of hopscotch. All right, so our second lesson for today is working on an agility ladder. And an agility ladder is something you can purchase. A lot of the athletic stores and so on have them. I have one that I'm going to show you. Oops, it all tangled up. But we are going to be using our chalk to make our agility ladder. But I just wanted to show you what a real one looks like. So here is here's what an agility ladder looks like. It looks like a ladder laying on the ground made out of plastic pieces and fabric. All right, but we're gonna make one with our chalk, and you can make it as big or as little as you want to, okay? So I just did a quick one here to demonstrate. You are also gonna get a Google slide document. The first page has 4 easier patterns to do on your agility ladder. The second 4 are a little more complicated, but it does give you step by step what to do. It shows you a little picture on the side, and it actually shows you the man hopping. So I have this attached to your lesson for this week, and the first page is the easier ones, the second page are the harder ones. So I'm just gonna kind of walk you through it, just so you can kind of see as well, okay? And then the faster you get, it becomes more hop, 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 hop. I'll walk you through it just so you can kind of see the foot action to start with, all right? So the first one on the pink. First one is just simply standing with your feet together, knees together, and you're just gonna bounce on the top toes of your feet, okay? And you're just gonna hop through each of the squares. Hop, 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 hop. All right? Told you the first one was pretty simple. Now, the second one is called left to right. You're gonna step into the square first of all with your right foot. I'm gonna start at the other end so I can be at the camera. So you're gonna go right in and then left, right, left, right, left, right, left. So right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, left, and then back. So all of these are down and back. And you do it as many times as you want, trying to get faster and faster, okay? The next one is called 2 feet in and out. So this time you're going to stand on the outside and you're just going to hop into the square and then back out behind the square, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, okay? Next one, wide and narrow. So it does show you the feet on the paper. You're gonna start up here, you're gonna go wide outside the box, okay? Then you're gonna hop and go in, and then out wide, and then in. So wide, together, wide, together. Turn around and go back. All right. Page 2. Remember, these are a little harder. So slow start, speed it up as you go. I want you to try all these several times. Oh, I might have to put my papers down for this one, and I don't want them to blow away. So this one's called the frog jump. All right. So this one, your feet are gonna go in the first box, your hands go in the second box. So you're gonna go hop, okay? And now I have to hop to that one. This is hands, that's feet. Hop, and then start all over again. Same back, okay? All right, next. Now remember, most agility ladders are a lot longer. I was just showing you mine. Oh, I should have had this on the first page. This is an easy one. All you're gonna do is tiptoe along the ladder without touching the ground, which you're gonna touch the ground because yours is drawn, but on an agility ladder, you would stay on it. 2, touch just the line, and balance. Okay, around. And then it says halfway through. Ours is really short, but then it says halfway through, you're gonna switch to walking backwards, backwards, backwards. Ooh, that was a little harder. Backwards, 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 backwards. Until you get to the end. Next one. It's called 4-step in and out. It's kind of like, remember when we did the hop in, hop out, hop in, hop out? Now we're just doing right in, right out, in, out, in, out, in, out. And now you do it fast. Oop, out. A little harder fast, huh? And then the last one is a 1-foot hop. I'm not gonna do that because my right hip has been bothering me. So you just hop on 1 foot. So I'll just kind of 1 foot in, 1 foot out, hop in, hop out, hop in, hop out, 1 foot only. You'll see it on the paper. Sorry, I can't do that one. Okay, well, that is 8 jumps for you to give a try. And if you do each of them for quite a while, you'll get your heart rate up, that's for sure. And remember, an agility ladder probably has I don't know, 12 boxes. Make yours, I don't know, 6, 7, 8. Make it challenging for you, all right? So you got hopscotch to do, you got an agility ladder to do, and then another video will be posted soon for Frisbee. All right, have a great day, you guys.